Hi everyone, welcome to another quick review and welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. I'm here in my pajamas and I wanted to make a really quick review with you. So I decided to show you this one here. I have this one recently. This one is Sunsilk Styling Cream. It's for defined curls. It should be for curly hair. So I decided to give it a try because as it gonna define the curl and make it like be in shape. So I said, okay, I guess this will do magic in my frizziness because it's really humid here in Egypt and it's like going me crazy, and I can't style my hair every single day with the heat because I don't want to damage my hair. I want to grow it up again. My hair was too long and I wanted to have the same length I used to. This time of the year having a lot of heat over my hair is not healthy, of course, so I'm trying to go like as natural as possible. So this is just my natural hair, just a little bit of blow dry on the ends, but this is my natural hair mostly. So I really wanted to go like this, feeling confident in my own hair, but in the same time not using a lot of heat over my hair. So this one really helps to tune down the frizziness and it makes it so beautiful and looks like this. So yeah, so it's still in a testing process. It's a completely new product that I'm trying right now, so I can't say like 100% if I love it or not, but in this humid really hot weather that I can't like style my hair as usual, really does a job in tuning down my hair, makes it so nice, and it works like kind of when I make a ponytail, like a back ponytail, really helps to tune down the front part. It doesn't have like a lot of fly out everywhere. This is the minimum thing. So especially I have a really short hair around my face everywhere, so yeah, I'm trying to tame this down and make it look beautiful when I go out without using any heat. I'm so sorry. So yeah, overall I like it in hot weather because I wash my hair every 2 days or maybe like every day sometimes. So yeah, really I hate heat and humidity. So I know you suffer too from humidity. It really makes your hair so crazy. And yeah, so far I like my hair with this product. Looks beautiful and yeah, nice to go out with, right? So this is for this review. I really hope you like it and see you soon. Bye.